Good morning, everyone. My name is Althea V. Anginyon. Today, I'm going to tell you a magical story about a kind and beautiful princess named Snow White. Are you ready to hear this exciting adventure?
Yes, we are!
Snow White is a kind girl whose jealous stepmother wants to harm her. She runs into the forest and stays with the seven dwarfs. The stepmother tricks her with a poisoned apple and Snow White falls asleep. A prince finds her, she wakes up, and Snow White lives happily ever after. The story teaches that kindness and goodness will always win. It also shows the importance of friendship and helping others.